A modern distributor is somebody that embraces new technologies, somebody that passes it on to their customers.
Every day is a different day. Every customer that you talk to is a different challenge. Every pain point is different.
The only way we earn credibility with a lot of our customers is by showing improving.
Figure out what you can do better than anyone else to be the best at it.
We don't have very many competitors that can offer something like we can do.
It's all about customer service. Customers rely on us to make sure that we can get products when they need them and services to help implement them.
Baldwin Hall is a total solutions provider. We're not just an electrical distributor. We don't just supply day-to-day materials for customers. Our biggest value add is the support and the service that we can offer to the customers.
They tell us their problems. We come back, utilize all of our resources that we have, come back to them and say, hey, this is how we can help you guys with this particular issue that you're dealing with.
We have the ecosystem that allows us to bring in partners from all around.
Upstate New York has always traditionally been a very industrial area. A lot of these companies have been around for a number of years. But these are guys that live here and work here and make a living here.
It's a hardworking community. The environment, I think, kind of makes you that way. The customers, they're hardworking people. They're going to show up every day. Their goal is to leave it better than they found it. So we want to help them do that.
The most important thing to me has been the people in this organization. They're the backbone of this business. I've gotten the opportunity to work with some of the best people.
It's a great place to work. It's all about the people, you know.
We have the ability to think outside the box. We have the ability to put the customer first. How can we help you eliminate some of these headaches in advance? And how can we help you guys improve your overall efficiency?
There's nothing better than going in, hearing a company is in distress, that they're threatening to shut the door, and then you and your team go in, next thing you know, the company's thriving. You know, it's exciting.
If we can do something to help even the least bit to help some of these industrial manufacturing facilities perform a little bit better, it makes us feel better at the end of the day that we're doing something to keep business here. We truly are a total solutions provider. Providing the customer with turnkey solutions makes us more than just a parts distributor.